Welcome everybody to Cannon's RV Repair. In today's video, we're going to talk a little bit about a water heater real quick. We're going to drain it. It's got an anode rod on it, so it's a Suburban. And it's been a while, I think, since this one's been replaced. I got it ready to pop out. So you can see all the debris coming out of this water heater. It needs to be flushed out. So more chunks coming out. They just end up on the ground. We're gonna have to sweep all that up. But I'm gonna drain it a little faster and put some pressure on my open the top TPT valve. This water heater actually has a leak in the back of it. So I'm gonna swap out the fitting. Go inside here and show you guys. So the customer did work on it a little bit already. So it makes it a little more difficult for us to test whether or not it is the tank on the water heater or the actual fitting itself. So we are going to have to replace this down here where it's leaking. As you can see, it's dripping away. He took off the fitting on there, the crimp fitting. He was trying to do it himself. We're gonna get him taken care of here. Good guy. He gave us a call once he realized it was maybe a little more than he wanted to do. So, but this water heater, we'll go ahead and flush it out, but we'll change the fitting first to make sure we're not wasting time. Just in case the water heater has a leak in the tank, we wanna make sure that we don't need to replace it. So we don't mind throwing a fitting on there real quick. Make sure that's, if that's the only problem, it's going to save him a lot of money, first and foremost. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below. And if you're in the Clark County, Washington area, give us a call here at Cannon's RV Repair. Until next time, thanks for watching.